Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're already in the game and ready. Open the pause menu now by pressing the menu/start button. Once the pause menu appears, navigate directly to settings. This is where audio and accessibility options live. Make sure you're using the active profile for changes to stick. If you launched from a quick resume or cloud session, confirm the game fully loaded before changing settings so you don't lose adjustments. Once in settings, move to the audio or accessibility tab where voice features are grouped. You'll see voice commands, voice control, or speech recognition listed. Select it to reveal toggles and mic permission prompts. Turn off the main voice control switch first, then disable any sub-options like in-game assistant or hot word activation. This ensures both local recognition and cloud-based prompts stop. If asked, confirm you want to disable microphone access for the game. Apply the changes and back out to the main menu so the settings are saved immediately. Some options require returning to the lobby. Once done, restart the game to clear any active voice sessions. If voice control keeps activating, check your console or Windows privacy, mic settings, and revoke microphone permission for Forza Horizon 5. That forces the game to stop listening. If problems persist, power cycle your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.